everyone.
Sir, just how challenging will this be that the Senate is already resuming with impeachment, with budget, with LEDAC bills?
We have a crisis of hope. Marami tayong inaharap na crisis ngayon, di ba? Crisis ng tiwala sa gobyerno. I'm not talking about the administration lang, but to everyone. Hindi lang dahil sa batuhan ng akusasyon kasi after 1 year, hindi pa klaro yung reforms dun sa flood control at infrastructure scandal. Yung day-to-day na corruption, whether yan ay traffic violation, yan ay permits, ay parang naging sa kultura na natin. Having said that, unknown pa or uncertain kung anong nangyayari sa Middle East, kaya ang presyo ng gasolina, asahan nyo na bababa ng konti, after 2 months, 3 months, tataas na naman. Maraming maliliit na negosyo ay umaangal na hirap na po sila. So on one side, magandang naitaas yung minimum wage, especially sa malalaking kumpanya na napakaganda naman ng profit margins. On the other hand, for small businesses, may question mark din, di ba? Tapos yung spending, OFWs nangangamba na pag tinamaan nga yung mga bansa nila, lalo sa Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, ay baka mawalan sila ng trabaho. Then of course, for many in the opposition, yung undeclared martial law is an issue and meron nga bang election sa 2028. So all of this, SONA is an opportunity to give some certainty. SONA is an opportunity not to pin the hopes on the administration, but hope na on certain areas pwede magkaisa. Diba? Halimbawa sa economy, when I had the chance to speak to many of the high officials in my short stint as Senate President, sinabi ko sa kanila yon na okay sa akin yung prioritize yung ekonomiya, okay sa akin at okay yung fair at saka maayos na impeachment, and then paano natin i-resolve yung flood control na katanggap-tanggap. So it's an opportunity, mamaya is an opportunity, but as you said nga, no, kanina binibilang ko lang yung oras eh. So if you have to wake up at 7 to be prepared and to be here at 10 for the impeachment trial, may 1 hour leisurely lunch ka, but let's say 4 to 7 yung session. So ang matitira mo lang meeting time, if you like meeting ng lunch, breakfast or dinner, is dinner. So kung makauwi ka ng mga 9 o'clock, magbabasa ka ng 1-2 oras, 11, gising ka ulit ng 6-7, parang talagang ang gagawin mo na lang ay yung session hall at saka yung impeachment ng Monday to Wednesday. Meron naman Thursday to Saturday, but given that our senators are elected nationwide at dapat nagpapakita din kami sa other parts of the country, it'll be a challenging. Hindi ko talaga malaman kung 3 months, 6 months, meron nga yung sinabi ni Senator Win na sa takbo ngayon baka umabot ng 1 year. So let's see, but we just have to rise to the challenge.
How will you be adjusting, sir? Knowing na tao rin naman kayo at may hearings, may budget, may
Partly you plan it. Well, yun yung main concern ko. Malaki sa mga skandalo ay hugot sa budget. So yung mas concerned ko nga na pag umabot to ng late October, November, kasi remember kahit na November na yung budget hearings dito or October during the break, binabantayan na namin yung sa House, binabasa na namin yun eh. So yun ang medyo mabigat. Tapos alam naman, ilan na ba yung secretaries na hindi pa nakokonfirm?